let's start with PCHCU. That involves our humic technologies. So if you're familiar with our humic technologies, what that allows us to do is use lower overall nitrogen rates throughout the growing season. So we have to apply less fertilizer to get the same result. So even if we apply 2/3 or 3/4 our normal nitrogen rate, we're going to get the same overall turfgrass quality, color, and performance that you're used to with your standard nitrogen rates. So another benefit of our poly-coated, humic-coated urea is that it offers a very extended release curve. So with our normal coated ureas, we're looking at a 4 to 6 week release. With this new version of poly-coated and humic-coated, we're looking at a 10 to 12 week release curve. So we get a nice uptick in nitrogen release over 10 to 12 weeks as opposed to the 4 to 6. So this allows superintendents to go out with fewer applications but still get the same benefit to their course and their turfgrass. HCAS is a standard ammonium sulfate, but we coat it with our humic technologies. So if you're familiar with ammonium sulfate, it's a great product to use in the shoulder seasons of the year, our cooler months of our growing season. So we're combining that benefit of ammonium sulfate with our humic technologies, and again going back to be able to use less fertilizer but get the same result. It's a great product for those times of the year, and it complements other fertilizers that are used during the warmer months of the year. So we've got our humic-coated urea, which is an excellent summertime fertilizer, but when we're talking about HCAS or humic-coated ammonium sulfate, that's great for spring and fall, both on warm season turf and cool season turf. With both of these products, like I said, they contain our humic technologies, and through multiple research trials that we've done, third-party trials, multi-year trials, we're seeing increased rooting, increased overall rooting depth, rooting amount, root hairs. So what that does is it creates a stronger plant if we're building that root system, and the root system is then better adapted to capture more nutrients within the soil. So we're building a healthier plant with these humic technologies, and through our sustainability of actually using less nitrogen because of those technologies.